I've been exploring the McAlisters Deli app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the McAlisters Deli mobile app. First up, what does the Deli app actually offer? The main idea here is convenience. You can order food ahead, customize your meal, and even schedule pickups or deliveries right from your phone. The layout is pretty straightforward, making it easy to browse the menu, sort items, and build your order exactly how you want it. If you're a regular, the rewards program is a nice touch. Every purchase racks up points that eventually unlock free treats, and there are occasional limited-time deals and exclusive app-only offers too. Now for the positives. The app makes ordering fast food pretty seamless. No fussing with phones or waiting in line. Customizing sandwiches, salads, and sides is genuinely flexible, so if you have dietary preferences or allergies, it's a smooth process. Payment options are standard but reliable, and you can save your favorite orders for even quicker repeat visits. If you're someone who likes contactless pickup, curbside is a breeze and tracking your rewards is simple. On the flip side, what's not so great? I have to be honest. The app is not immune to glitches. Occasionally there are bugs, like the app freezing or crashing as you're midway through an order. Some users report issues with pickup times not syncing well with store readiness, which can mean waiting a few extra minutes when you show up. There's also the occasional hiccup with rewards not landing in your account right away, so if you're counting on a free dessert, you might need a little patience. And while delivery is available in some areas, it's not universal yet. In terms of privacy and security, the Deli app does require you to create an account and provide your payment information. While most users haven't had issues, it's something to consider if you're cautious about personal data. Customer support is responsive but typically routed through email or online forms, so it's not always instant. Overall, the Deli app gets things mostly right. It makes ordering simpler, rewards loyal customers, and doesn't overload the experience with unnecessary extras. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.